Hello guys, in today's video we are going to discuss how to fully close an app on Mac. Let's start the video. Let's suppose I will open this browser Safari. Now I will cut that browser. Okay, but what you can see here a dot on the Safari icon. It means that the app is not fully closed. There are two ways to close this app fully. First, just open the Safari. On your left top, you can see here Safari. Click on Safari. Now you can see here Quit Safari. Just click on Quit Safari. As you can see, the app is fully closed. There is no dot icon. And second way, again open your Safari. This Safari icon, just right click on this and you can see here a quit option. Click on quit and you can see your app is fully closed. This is the two ways to fully close your app. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.